Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy and I'm flying solo. With the rising prices of eggs recently, we thought it would be a great idea to show you a recipe that will stretch your eggs further. This recipe is scrambled eggs breakfast muffins, and I found it on the Six Sisters Stuff website. We will link it in the description. You can customize this recipe to make it what you love to eat. You could also pair this with something else like grits or fruit to make it more filling. And you get the benefit of breakfast being prepared ahead of time. So let's get started. Starting off, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Spray your muffin tin generously so that it won't stick. In a large mixing bowl, beat the eggs and then add the remaining ingredients. We chose bacon since we already had some and doubled up on the spinach because Joel doesn't like mushrooms. Mix the ingredients together and then scoop it into a muffin tin using a 1/3 cup measuring cup. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until completely cooked through. Well, that's it for today's recipe. We hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you did. Feel free to share down in the comments how you are making your eggs last a little longer. Until next time, this is Christy with the Long Run with Joel and Christy saying, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.